Hi, I'm Sanjay. I'm going to give you a quick demo of the unit before shipping out to somebody who's been waiting very patiently. Thank you so much for that. So we have 2 transmitters now. I'm making a few more. I'm shipping it as requested with a few things, but some instructions. So when you first, this adapter, you'll be getting it. Please plug it in the right way, of course, and you'll get about 15 volts into this. You can also use this, but make sure the red has the 15. So you can use this also and put a DC power supply if you want to do something. But if you exceed 15, it might get damaged. So you put it in, and it's got this flashing, and the flashing indicates in waiting mode. There's a red button here at the back, which is reset. So anytime you press that, it will reinitialize the microcontroller, and it sweeps the surface for the first few seconds to find out, calibrate it, so that it can make out between a foreign object and a bona fide receiver. The next button is run. If it gets stuck for some reason in FOD mode, you can hit this for 5 seconds and it will bypass FOD. So for the demo, it's very convenient. So whenever you put it on, whenever you plug it, you see there are the communication LEDs for Qi which come on here. It goes through the whole thing and now it's waiting. So at this stage, you can put a coin and you see red light. So it's not going to proceed further. No communication, and it can detect a coin. Here on any surface, it should be able to detect it, which is something which nobody can do. Then you can also try the dual Qi mode. You can put 2, if you want, right next to each other. Put a little space here. And so this I wanted to warn you. If it ever proceeds to the blue light mode, which is the charge-edge mode, it's a high power lateral feed mode. Don't put the receiver, it might get damaged. So make sure the light is flashing, that it's waiting, then put the Qi. Alright, so that's a precaution. And you'll see that the communication has been established on both sides. It gives you 10 seconds to adjust it, that's typical of Qi, and then it comes on. Okay, so here we go. It should work, and now it's waiting for the next demo. So the next demo, which should take it to a high power realm, which is what most customers want to see right now. And I put a little thing here. You can attach a digital multimeter. You'll be able to see the voltage. It has been set to about 10.3, 10.4 volts, slightly over 10. The reason is 12 volts is too much power right now, and I want to make sure the thermals and all are okay. But 50, 60 volts it should give you right away at this moment with this lamp. The blue light, when it comes on, it will go into charge-edge mode, and if it flickers, that means it's seeing communication, which is the 1:1 mode, high power mode. So, and this is the little coil. In the little box, you basically have a bridge rectifier and a small microcontroller, a very cheap one, less than $1. It's going to communicate and it's going to ramp up just to show you it has got full control over the power, and it will settle down to about 10 volts. So let's see. Here we go. Move it in the center, otherwise the red light may go on. So now it has gone on, and you will see it come on. Now the blue light will start flickering. Yes, it's flickering, and it's come to very high power mode. So I'm going to leave it like that for a moment and show you another FOD. We have another FOD. So if you put a coin here, it will beep. That's another FOD. And only we know how to do that again. So there is no, we can make it stop right now, but for the demo I'll just let it continue, just to show you how it works. It's very sensitive, it can detect it. So that's another FOD. And if you do something really bad, at some stage, it'll reset and it'll go back. If it doesn't, hit the reset button for now. So the flow chart for the FOD and all can be programmed according to the desired user experience. But this is what we are shipping right now. I'm not shipping out much. I'm shipping out these 2 Qi devices. I'm shipping out this giant load. And that's it for now, because that's what most customers want to see. So thank you very much, and hope to hear from you. Thank you. Bye-bye.